All right, in this demo, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a sliding knot for a necklace. So you'll notice that these knots slide together and open, so you can adjust the length of your necklace depending on how far apart those two knots are, right? So I'm going to start with a piece of cord. What you're going to do is you're going to get both ends and overlap them, okay? So now they're overlapping by about 5 inches. I'm going to take my right hand and grip it so that I'm only dealing with one end, okay? You're going to take this end and you're going to wrap it around the other piece of cord so that it makes a loop. So I have a loop right here. I'm going to hold it with my thumb and pointer finger. So you're going to do one loop, you're going to do a second loop. So now I have 2. I'm going to take this end, I'm going to go back through the first, then the second loop. Maybe. Let's try that again. And pull it tight. Okay. So that knot slides now. I'm going to do it one more time. So now I'm gripping it with my left hand. I'm going to give it a little bit more length so I can show you a little better. So you're taking the end and wrapping it. I went under and around. So there's one loop. Do it a second time. Under and around. Pinch it so you can see I have 2 loops. Take the end, go back through the first and the second loop, and pull it tight, okay? So now I have 2 sliding knots. You can trim the ends off a little bit so you can cut it a little bit shorter. I wouldn't go too short because you don't want it to fall apart, right? I don't need to put my pendant on first because I'm actually going to attach it using a jump ring. So I've made a 16 gauge jump ring because I want it to be really strong. So I'm going to open up my jump ring. Remember, you open it by twisting it open. So I have my 2 pliers. I'm going to twist it open, put it on my quarter, put it on my cord, and twist it shut, making sure there's no gap. Okay, I could probably open that and close it one more time. There we go. So now I have my necklace with my quarter pendant on it.